I'm sorry, what? I'm videotaping this.
And so I'm probably gonna.
Because I think I'm like, seriously, either you're gonna collapse or you're gonna fall over.
I feel it buckling over there. Ow, this is gonna hurt my groin. I feel it on my knee already.
Yeah, that's a cootie killer right there. Uh-oh.
Brittany, like, seriously, get the fuck out of there.
Who started the hot tub? Hold on.
Wait, slow clap. Somebody slow clap.
No, it's...
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna do the gymnast thing.
Air fingers.
Alright, do it again, though.
I didn't get it. She didn't get it.
I feel like if I
Oh, shit. I didn't even fucking record it. Okay, now it's recording.
I feel like if I did it again, I'd probably really hurt myself.
No, you wouldn't hurt yourself.
No, I think
I wouldn't let the box hurt you.